Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you would be thinking about what has happened on my face. If you will know that, watch my last video which I uploaded. So yeah, in today's video I'm gonna be talking about some of my favorites that was from past month, January, February, March, like last 3 months, because I just started this video. I'm just starting this video. I would try to do it every month, but every second month. So yeah, let's get started. I have one or two skincares, or most of them are makeup sponges, which are very affordable. So it would be good for any beginners out there. So yeah, if you wanna know that what are actually my favorites, then let's get started. I'm not gonna talk about anything in numbers. I'm just gonna grab it, any one of it, and I'm gonna talk about it. So let's start with concealers. So this is Swiss Beauty concealer, liquid concealer in shade number 04. This is my perfect shade. So yeah, this concealer is for in different website is max for 199 rupees, and this is a beautiful concealer. Like it creases a little bit, but if you set it out just with a powder and everything, it is best. It is like the best concealer affordable right now available in the market, and a very affordable price. Next, let's talk about the OG thing everybody has. I'm gonna take a lot of time. So yeah, this is Maybelline Gel Drama Kajal. I know it's a little bit expensive, but just grab it in any of the sales. Right now it's not available, but yeah, in any of the sales, just grab it, and it will be like 400 rupees, and it is well worth. Next, one of my favorites. This is I had it for like not more than 3 months, but I have used a lot of it. It's almost empty. It is one of the best mascara in Maybelline's drawer. Trust me, it is one of the best. It just makes your lashes available, makes your lashes look very good. So yeah, this is, you need it. Every college girl needs it. So if you want a good contour kit or to chisel out your bones, I know there's a lot of contour sticks or contour duo, but at an affordable price, there are a little. So right now I'm using the Nika Ke contour kit. It has two colors. That is a little bit brown, a little bit dark. So I use it very little hand because it is very pigmented, and you can use it easily on your eyes just to have a transition color. So that's that. Next, one of a very good palette. This is the palette. This is color theme palette. This is all matte palette, and this palette, you can see it is brown, oranges. This has a poppy color, which is a little bit of red, black. It has every color. The yellow is not so pigmented. You can see I have swatched it. It has not been so pigmented. You can see it, but it doesn't do much for your eyes. But other than that, other colors are very pigmented, and it's like for 175 bucks. So yeah, this is really nice. Other than that, let's talk about a foundation I tried recently, but I have been using it. I have been using it in videos, and it looks flawless. I have a lot of like bumps, you can see, but this foundation, I love it. It's for all skin type. I have a full review. You can go in my channel and you can see the review of the 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. You can easily take a look at that. Next, we're going to talk about a little bit lipstick that every girl desires. So I have Blue Heavens lipstick. It's for 105 bucks. I got it from Nykaa. So this is in shade number 11. This is perfect if you want something a very nude. It is not for every girl, but shade lighter or shade than me. It is beautiful. You can see it. It is very beautiful. It is like so creamy. It is very light on the lips. It's not very hard like other stick. And other shade I'm swatching is 12. This is also very beautiful. I'm not very good at swatching, so I'm sorry. So yeah, this is the shade. This is pure like cool tone brown, and this is kind of like light mauve. So it's not gonna work for every skin tone, but this is gonna work for every skin tone because I love it. Next, an eyeliner. This is a brown eyeliner for again Blue Heaven. I like it because it just turns. I'm sorry, I had a earphone for all the time because I don't use mics and all that. So it is brown, but it turns to red. So it is very good for your like college going girls that they want something very poppy. It is brown, but you can see it's a little bit reddish brown kind of shade. So yeah, this is red. This is also really nice. Next we're gonna talk about, let's see, this. I know every YouTubers had been talking about this. This is the dupe of Clinique Moisture Search and everything, but I haven't tried it, so I can't say anything. I tried this and I'm in love. I'm a dry skin girl, so things like that do moisturize me, but not at that level. But in summers I really need it. I have been using it. You can see I have been using it a ton. Let me see. Ow, sorry. Like, it's almost finished. It's just in the front. It's almost finished and I love it. It's like moisturizing but not oily, but all the moisturizer I have a little bit of oil slick on your face. This doesn't. This is very beautiful. Trust me, it's very beautiful. Next, beauty blenders. I know it's would be pain to find a beauty blender that is cheap and that works beautifully, because normally the beauty blender you bought in 100 or 150 rupees from your local shops are, trust me, they are shit. I have tried it. I have tried most of the beauty blenders for 50 rupees or 100 rupees and they are shit. They don't do anything. But this is a blender from Blue Heaven. This is beautiful. I know I have said beautiful for 1,000 times, but this is beautiful. If you want a blender that is cheap, it doesn't last so well because I have it for like 2-3 months and it started to tear up. It's not gonna be living with you for like 20-25 years, 1 year, maybe 1 or 2 years, but for the price it's like 150 or 175 max. It is beautiful. It is very nice. It just absorbs a little bit product but not a lot, and it blends beautifully. So yeah, this is the next product. So I'm gonna be talking about the last product because I don't want you to get bored. So this is my ride or die. If I'm doing an eye look and I think that, yeah, it looks nice, but I just want something to pop like crazy, this is my jam. This is like every girl's dreams. If you like glitter, if you like anything like that shiny, you'd love it. Trust me, you'd love it. So yeah, this is Blue Heaven's Swiss Beauty's metallic eyeshadow. This works beautifully on any eyeshadow. I have used it multiple times in my dark like smoky eye look. I have used the black in the smoky eye look. I have used most of the colors. So yeah, this is beautiful. I love it. If you want to try it, right now it's not available, but yeah, it would be available like when this lockdown clears up. So I think you should at least try one, not the whole pack. I bought it from Flipkart for 750 rupees. So buy any one and try it. You're gonna love it. So yeah guys, this is all for today. I hope you like it, and if you want to review any of the product I used, because I have used it for a lot of time and I'm confident that I can give a great video and explain everything. Even if it is Swiss Beauty eyeshadow, I'm going to use every color on my eyes. If you really want to see that or any other product you want, just comment down below and we'll see you next time. And one more thing, stay safe at your home. I would prefer that if you don't go out, just for the necessity, you go out, but stay home. I know everybody's like, I'm stuck at my relatives' home. I'm not actually at my home. So yeah, that there are problems, but stay safe, stay at your home, and just take care and watch my videos. Okay, so if you like this kind of video, just give it a like, share, subscribe to my channel, and we will be seeing, you would be seeing me a lot these days because I'm filming a lot of videos. So yeah, if you want to see my face, my pretty face, people call me Chinese, so yeah, I'm not Chinese, I'm Indian. So yeah, if you want to see my pretty face again, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I would be seeing you pretty soon. Bye bye.